Hi friends, Mr. Brian here to play a classic hit song for you. This song is about working on the railroad all day long. It has a very special name. This song is called I've Been Working on the Railroad. Here we go! Well, I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. Yes, I've been working on that railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the captain shouting, rising up so early in the morn? Can't you hear the captain shouting, Dinah, blow your horn? Well, Dinah, won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow, Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, all strumming on the old banjo. They're singing fee-fi-filly-I-o, 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 all strumming on the old banjo. So when I was a little kid, there was a part where they sing about someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, and I used to love dinosaurs, so I just always imagined there was a dinosaur in the kitchen. I later learned that Dinah was the name for the train. I still want to imagine a dinosaur. 'Cause I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on that railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the captain shouting, rising up so early in the morn? Can't you hear the captain shouting, Dinosaur, blow your horn? Alright, thanks so much friends. I hope you have a lovely day. Bye-bye.